So we have this very large 48 bar dominant cycle that is divided into these minor third cycles. And we are currently in this third minor third. Our ideal cycle trough is expected in this time frame between these blue vertical dotted lines. That is from mid-August to late September. And it's going to be important to remember that when we go and look at the daily chart. This gray dashed cycle bracket here is the silver future cycle that we have overlaid, so you can see how those two line up and interact. Up here, we had this very choppy period of sideways consolidation. And then over the last couple of weeks, we've had an improvement in momentum, as shown with the reversal scout turning green here, and now moving up to test this 78.6% fib with the possibility of retesting this recent high at 24.5420. Now let's go and take a look at the daily chart. Here we have a dominant cycle that is 46 bars in length. So this cycle that we've just started has an ideal trough of September 3rd, plus and minus a few days. So it is in sync with the weekly cycle timing window. What that means is that we may end up seeing some weakness in this cycle as we form the short-term and intermediate-term synced troughs. But for now, we are early in the rising phase of this cycle on very positive momentum. We had a strong move up yesterday, getting up to that area around the 78.6% extension. So we are initially targeting this area from about 2440 to 2480. So I am bullish on gold over the next few weeks based on momentum, but we do need to be aware of where we are in the longer time frame cycles. And because of that, we need to choose an option strategy that gives us a good profit potential to the upside, but also protects us to the downside because of the weakness that could develop due to this cycle being in sync with that weekly cycle timing window. I chose to do a broken wing butterfly yesterday. I showed that strategy in an options trade idea video that I published for our members. If you have a larger account size, you could also do something like a ratio spread. So if you'd like to see that video, please do consider becoming an askSlim level 3 or 4 member.